third important theoretical approach to study cognitive development are information processing theories of cognitive development. These theories focus on the fact that the human mind can process and retain and work with a limited amount of information. So according to that theory, it's important to think about how much information children can process. As children get older, their hardware, their mind, their brain develops, and they're able to process more information. Because they're able to process more information, they can learn more things. But there are other factors that influence children and adults' ability to process information. How much we know about something. If we know a lot about something, it's a lot easier for us to learn new information about it. We can think of it like a suitcase. If I have a lot of information, it's like if I know how to fold the clothes into the suitcase, I can pack more into it. I don't have to spend as much energy learning about the topic because I already know a lot about it, so I can add to it, and that's easier. Another factor that influences learning is learning different strategies. As children acquire strategies for learning, and as they acquire the ability to reflect on their learning, they can learn more. And all of that allows them to process more information, to process it more efficiently. So a key insight from this theoretical approach is when we're thinking about children's learning, we should think about what children come into the learning setting with, how much do they already know, because that's going to determine how hard it is going to be for them to acquire new information. And we want to think about their limits, their cognitive limits. How much information can they actually process? Right? When we talk to a 2 or 3-year-old, that's going to be very different than if we talk to an older child.